Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Fronter 620. And right now we're here at the Vanguard Center here in Rolling Meadows, Illinois. This is the north lobby right here. Some flickering lights up there. In this video we're going to take a ride on the two Montgomery elevators that this building has. Starting with this one right here. It's got square buttons, so now let's take it for a ride. It's right here. Let's go up to 2. Here are 2. And I think somebody called it. Just that button lit up. So we'll start off by getting our CAD view. Looks really nice for an office building. And if I didn't mention, these elevators were installed in 1968. COP. Phone. Never mind, nobody called it. Anyways, here's another look at the COP. Notice we're in car 1. There's your phone. And I'll give you guys more of an opportunity to read the certificate of inspection if you want to pause to read. Another thing to mention is that this elevator also, once it closes, it's got the old bumper. Now watch it close up. Now we're going to go to the other side of the building, here in Montgomery. We'll head this way.
Я помню, что вы...
And here's the other elevator right here. This one goes down. And it's... And also it's wall padding, as you can see. Let's go into the basement if we can. If we can or not. I guess not. Let's go up to 2 then. Here are 2. I'm going to set down the 1. And scare CAD view. So, pretty identical to the other one, except it's got wall padding. There's what it looks like behind the wall padding. And then here you got your COP. Here's your phone. I think the inspection certificate is behind here too. Yep, there it is right there. I'm not going to shine the flashlight because it looks exactly the same as the other one. Yes, I think. But yeah, the inspection certificate is behind here. And just for the hell of it, we'll take another ride. I'll watch the buttons go out this time. Now down the 1. I guess the elevator hack does not work either. So now the one button goes out. Now we're going to exit the elevator. So there it goes. And that's it.